a few scattered rain showers this afternoon, but this system is beginning to dissipate and move off to the east. Here on our radar, you're seeing some possibilities of scattered showers still falling across the area, but as the system dissipates, it will be moving out and clearing up. As we move into the overnight hours, you're seeing those clouds here across Eastern Illinois campus begin to clear out, leaving us with some partly cloudy skies currently. But throughout the day today, we saw high temperatures in the 70s across the area, a high temperature of 71 degrees here in Charleston, although we did get up to 77 degrees up in Champaign for the highest we saw across the entire viewing area. Now moving overnight tonight, we are going to see temperatures begin to drop down into the 40s for our low, a low temperature of 47 degrees overnight tonight, but that rain will clear up, leaving us with mostly clear skies for our overnight hours, and that clearing up will continue as we move into tomorrow. But part of the reason we're seeing such a cool low temperature overnight tonight is because of winds blowing out of the north at 5 to 10 miles per hour, blowing colder air down into our viewing area and cooling off our low temperature. Now, some of this rain is still falling here across the area, mostly in Taylorville and Shelby County, but as we move overnight tonight, this system will begin to clear up, leaving us with mostly clear skies overnight tonight. The return of clouds tomorrow morning will make an appearance, and those clouds will come and go throughout the entire daytime tomorrow. You'll see partly cloudy skies in the morning, a chance for mostly cloudy skies in the late afternoon, but because of those clouds and that rain system pushing out, we're going to be seeing a lower high temperature tomorrow, a high temperature of 68 degrees tomorrow, not quite into the 70s, still in the 60s for our high, but another factor for this cool down is the winds once again blowing out of the north, blowing colder air down. Now, as we move throughout the daytime tomorrow, we're going to be seeing those clouds come and go. Here's that chance for mostly cloudy skies, but as we move into the evening, those clouds will clear up once again, eventually leaving us with a clear sunny day for our graduation day on Saturday. Here at Eastern Illinois, we are going to be seeing a clear sunny day for our graduation. We're seeing clear sunny skies in the morning when that first commencement ceremony is set to take place, with temperatures around 61 degrees, but temperatures will begin to warm up throughout the day and those clouds will develop too, but no rain is expected for graduation day here at Eastern Illinois. But as we move further into the weekend, those clouds will develop on Sunday, mostly clear skies on Sunday, but a few clouds coming and going, with a high temperature of 76 degrees on Sunday. Temperatures will continue to warm up into Sunday, but temperatures will cool back down to start off our work week, with a possibility of scattered rainfall on Monday with a high temperature of 71 degrees. But another reason for this cool down and this warm up is because of our upper level jet stream. We're seeing a ridge of warmer air on Saturday that's warming up our temperatures, and that will only develop as we make it to Sunday, eventually leaving us up into the upper 70s, but this will push off, eventually leaving us with a cool down to start next work week. Now, even with this cool down, we're still going to be above average for the next 6 to 10 days. That average for this time of year is typically in the mid 70s, but looking forward, we're going to see some temperatures above that. But first, we're going to see a warm up into the weekend. 72 degrees for our graduation day here at Eastern, but then on Mother's Day, temperatures are going to warm up into the upper 70s with a high temperature of 76 degrees. Temperatures will start to cool down as we make it to next work week, with a chance of rain both on Monday and Tuesday with high temperatures in the low 70s. But once that rain moves out, we're going to be seeing partly cloudy skies and temperatures warming up into the upper 70s and even up into the 80s.